Make money work for you. Top platforms for selling photos. Have you ever thought about turning your photography hobby into a side income? Hi everyone, welcome to Learn and Earn. In today's video, I'll show you how to sell your photos online, the best platforms to get started, and some essential tips to maximize your earnings. Let's dive in. Every day, businesses, marketers, and creators need high-quality images for their projects. Instead of hiring expensive photographers, they buy stock photos online. This creates a massive opportunity for anyone with a camera and creativity to make money. Let me show you how. Here are the top platforms where you can start selling your photos today. EyeEm, earn 50% commission and retain copyright. Join missions to earn extra income. Foap, perfect for beginners. Join missions for higher payouts. Snapwire, get paid for requests and challenges from brands. Stockimo, Alami's trusted app for photographers with high exposure to buyers. Each platform has its perks, so explore and find what works for you. Before uploading your photos, polish them with easy-to-use editing tools. Canva, perfect for basic edits and adding text overlays. Pixart, great for filters and creative effects. Designer, create unique visuals for social media or promotional use. A well-edited photo can grab more attention and boost sales. Here are some tips to ensure your success. Understand licensing. When you sell a license, you keep copyright but can sell the same photo multiple times. Pick marketable topics, focus on themes like landscapes, lifestyle shots, or everyday objects. Optimize titles and tags, use keywords like snowy mountain sunrise instead of generic titles to make your photos searchable. Platforms like EyeEm and Foap also host missions and challenges, so join them for extra exposure and earnings. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, selling photos online is a great way to turn your creativity into cash. Choose the right platform, edit your photos professionally, and apply SEO strategies to reach more buyers. Are you ready to start your photography business? Let me know in the comments which platform you're excited to try. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more tips on photography and online income. For details visit the website mentions below in description.